Make sure you are in the test account or the sandbox account, which usually be marked by this header. After that, click on the gear icon to go to the settings. Select the business option under the account settings section. Then choose the bank account and currencies option, which will open up this window. You can then add the test bank by clicking on this add a bank account. But if you does not have any currency beside the basic one, you may click this add a settlement currency and select any currency to be added. For example, I'm gonna add the euro currency, then tap on the add currency button. After that, click on this add a bank account, and you can choose the country that you want to add. For example, I'm gonna go with the Italy. While inserting a random name that just crossed your mind, and do a check mark on this option right here. And as for the IBAN, you wanna go to the Google search and search for Stripe Test Bank Account as the keyword. You then want to select the one called docs.stripe.com/connect/testing and just scroll down until you see the bank number just right here, and you can select which country that you picked before. So I'm gonna select for the Italy. You can then copy the IBAN code and paste it 2 times over here and over here, and then hit the add bank account button. Then you are good to go. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.